Hello guys, today we are making chocolate pancakes. These are the ingredients we need: sugar, oil, 1 egg, flour, baking powder, milk, and dark chocolate. Let's mix. Let's add the milk. Let's add the sugar. Let's add the oil. Let's mix it up. Let's crack this egg. Let's mix the sugar and the egg for to dissolve with the milk. The sugar and egg now have mixed with the milk. Now let's add in the dry ingredients. Now let's add in the baking soda. Let's mix it up together into smooth batter. All the ingredients are mixed except the chocolate. Now let's see how is it taste. It needs a bit of sugar, that's all. Now let's add in our favorite ingredient, chocolate. Okay. Now it's gonna be. You forgot to add a little bit of vanilla extract, so let's add some. Every time I'm trying it. This smells good. Let me taste. Let's put some oil. It's like painting. If the pancake is ready to flip. Now let's flip it. Whoa, this is so smooth. Is the pancake good? Because I taste it. I'm going to have this one. Like the big chocolate. That's for you. The pancakes are finished. Now let's add some honey. Come on. Come on. Just add it. Okay, it's gonna come in. Oh, come on. Come on. It's gonna come in. Oh, yo. But not only for you. You have it everywhere. You're not adding for me. Okay. You're even not adding for me. Because it's so good.